Hello everyone, my name is Lily, and in this video I am going to walk you through how to reverse a video on Snapchat. So, if you have an iPhone, you can easily reverse a video using your Snapchat filters. However, if you have an Android device, you have to do a couple of more things to reverse a video. So let me explain. So let's go ahead and open up our Snapchat app, and now I am going to shoot a quick little video. If you are using an iPhone and you want to reverse the video that you just shot, all you have to do is swipe to the right until you find the reverse filter. It should be just before this super fast filter. But if you are doing this on an Android phone, you basically can't reverse a video using just your Snapchat app. Some Android devices can do it, and some Android devices do not have this feature available. As you can see, I don't have it. So if you have an Android device and you are in the same situation as I am, all you have to do is exit out of the Snapchat app and then open up your Google Play Store, and then tap on this search bar up top and search for InShot. This is a free and easy to use video editor that you can use to simply reverse your video. Install this on your device, open InShot, and then import the video file you want to reverse. So, for example, I'll select this one. Then scroll through these tools until you find this reverse option and tap on it. Wait a few seconds for it to do its thing. And voila! Your video is now reversed and you can share it on your Android Snapchat app. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about all of this, please let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching.